Guys, I'm going to show you how to remove a link from a Ferragamo watch. Now, this one does not have any arrows, so it's hard to tell which direction you would have to remove it. I tried to do some research on this, and it was really difficult to find out. You may be able to move it from either side, but this is how I did it successfully, so I wanted to teach you. Again, there's no arrows to where you need to remove the rods. Usually there's an arrow where you can bang out the rod, and that's the direction you know that you have to go. Now, I use this Jurist link remover kit. I just got this from Amazon. I will link it down below, but this is what it comes with: a little vise machine, a hammer, and an orange block. Now, this is how I have the watch band positioned on this vise. And if you look down below, I have the actual turn knob of the watch facing away from me, and this is how I was able to successfully do this. So I have the little rod in sight, and I'm going to align this little point up with the rod and making sure that when I turn this knob, the other end of the rod is going to come out the hole and not press against the metal here. So once you have it in a good spot, just turn this little screw dial, and you're going to slowly do that and slowly see that actual rod come out the other side. And you're just going to keep turning this until you can't turn anymore, until it reaches that little gold hub at the end there. You can also use a hammer to do this that it comes with, but I opted to do this just so I could show you better and to see if it would actually work. Now, once you've done it all the way, you can go the other way, take this off the little vise device, and you can pull this out. Now, if you can't pull it out, then I'll show you what to do next, because I was not able to pull it out when I tried this. You take this little tool, and it comes with a little apparatus on the end, but I needed a longer one, so I just replaced the shorter one with the longer one, and we were good to go. So I just kind of picked this up and found the hole again, just went in the hole, make sure I was in proper alignment, and gave it a little push. And you could see that popped out the end, and we were good to go here. So we went ahead and removed that rod. We go ahead and put the rod back in the way that it came. And again, we can use the hammer and the orange block. Now, we're not done yet, obviously, because we need to remove one of the whole links. We just took one of the little rods out, and the links is still holding on with one more rod. So we'll have to take that other rod out, but now you know how to do it, so it's pretty simple. We're just going to align it, and the rod that's holding that one link in, we'll just go ahead, and the same way, you can see it's coming out a little bit closer this time, and we'll take that little push-out tool and just slowly push it out. This one was a little bit more stuck in, so I had to push it twice, and you could see it popped out literally all the way, and at this point you can just pull it out. And I like to leave it in the same orientation, placing it down as to the way I got it out. So now you can take the link off. So we've officially taken the link off. We need to tighten our watch a little bit. I was going to take two links off, but just for this video, I went ahead and did one. You can take one off the other side. Now you go ahead and line this back up, and I am putting the rod back in. So it's kind of the reverse here, except I will have to use the orange block, and I'll show you that in just 1 second. So we're going to put this through, and to kind of help me hold it in place, I'm just putting it in these little holes of this orange block. So here we go, we just put it through, and I'm pushing it down a little bit so it's about halfway through that second interlocking link there in the middle. So you can see I pushed it down, but for the rest of the way I can't push it, so I'm going to use this white part of the hammer, give it 3 or 4 taps until it's flush, and there we go. We have removed the link, and we are set. You can try the watch on at this point. See if you need to take one more out, but we've removed this link. We'll go ahead and save that in a little baggie with the rod, of course. And if you do need to remove one, some people, they'll say just to take it off of the other side just to make sure it's even, so it's not going to look all weird. But again, this is a Ferragamo watch, and I went ahead and removed it with this little vise tool from Jurist. I am including this down in the description. It's just a few bucks on Amazon if you do want to pick this pack up.